Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix GPS not working issue on your iPhone 15 series. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are saying that their GPS is not working correctly and they are facing a lot of issue with their GPS. So don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this GPS issue on your iPhone 15 series. First of all, you have to make sure location services are turned on. Go to your settings and scroll down, then tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and see if it's enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After enabling it, then you have to make sure the app you are using has permission to use your location. Go to your settings again and then go to again privacy and security. Tap on location services and see which app is causing the issue. Like I am going to camera and see if has permission to use your location or not. If it's in on never, then simply give it a permission. After this, you have to check for update. Go to your settings again, then go to general, go up and tap on general, tap on software update and check if there are any available updates. If there are, then update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. After applying this all solution you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, simply go to your general and then scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try last solution, reset network settings. Tap on your settings, scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.